This is next level. So this land basically is used here basically for oil creation. This land basically used for oil creation. And here basically around I think that basically 35 crore people basically data are connected. So 1% of the yes basically 35 crore population data is connected. But here 1% told that means only this 35 crore people basically can have that oil. So 1% told that need to check basically, yeah, basically. Then 1% told here basically 35 crore basically types of human basically data basically are done. So here basically A positive blood group they are 50 crore. So their behavior basically will same basically. So this kind of concept basically are created by the world creator basically. So things basically become more easy. Things become more easy basically. So same way basically 35 crore basically data basically are used. So you just imagine basically whatever human needs basically that is getting processed basically that is also connected with the human basically that is the 700 crore basically data and basically 20 crore child basically which is going to come. So the future human needs basically which is going to create basically that is also connected basically with this land creation basically that is the 15 lakh liter oil basically. So here the one person basically want to say that basically if in future basically this whole person basically will get end basically then any effect basically is going to happen basically that also they checks basically in the land creation basically when the human need is basically getting created that time basically he connects to the each and every 35 crore people basically data. So next we will see that.